In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create latitude and longitude from a postcode or city name using Tableau. Whether you're working with geographic data or just looking to add a visual dimension to your analytics, this quick and straightforward process will enhance your data storytelling capabilities in just a few minutes. Let's start by opening the Tableau Public app. If you haven't already done so, you'll need to download and install Tableau Public from their official website. Once installed, open it up and get ready to transform your data. Now, once you have Tableau open, you'll need to access your existing worksheet or create a new one if you haven't got one set up yet. This is where all the magic will happen. You will see a data pane, which is crucial for our next steps. Go to the data window and now double-click on the postal code field. By doing this, Tableau automatically generates a map using the geographic data to visually plot points. It's really quite fascinating to see how simply entering postal codes can create a visual map of your data. Next, let's add a layer of detail by dragging country onto the details section of the marks card. The marks card allows you to control the aspect of data visualization, offering different ways to present your data meaningfully. Now, with your country data in place, it's time to show how profitable each location is by dragging profit to the size option on the marks card. What this does is vary the size of the plotted data points on your map based on the profit amount for each location. A bigger dot represents higher profits and vice versa. But we're not stopping there. For better visual distinction, drag profit once more, but this time onto the color slot on the marks card. Instantly, your map becomes more insightful, with colors adding an additional layer of information indicating varying profit levels more vividly across different regions. Finally, to make your map truly polished, take a moment to format the colors and fonts as you desire. Tableau provides a range of formatting options to ensure your visual presentation aligns perfectly with your style or your company's branding guidelines. And there you have it. A vibrant, insightful map showing latitude and longitude created from your postal code or city names, enriched with layered details about profits. This visualization not only deepens your data insights, but also enhances your storytelling potential with a compelling geographic dimension. Have fun exploring and customizing your data with this powerful tool, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more Tableau tips and data visualization strategies.